So my name's Emily Wilson. I'm a student at Western Sydney University in my final year of my Masters of Secondary Teaching. I was introduced to the Microbit in one of my curriculum units for TAS, Technologies, and I just found it really interesting because I thought it was a way to incorporate the STEM aspects of technology into my area. Like, I specifically focus in agriculture. So I'm going to show you how to program this so that we get a graph, and as you put your nails in your soil sample, the graph will go up or down depending on how much moisture is in the soil. When I started looking into the microbit, I did find it really difficult to start with. It's something completely new, being never exposed to anything like that when I was younger. It did take me a while to get my head around it, but once I did, and I just kept persevering, like, we've got so much at our disposal. We've got YouTube that can, video tutorials for everything, can help you understand it. And we all think that's what our students are going through, but from what I saw today, it's not as hard for them, because if they're exposed to it at a younger age, they're developing that digital resilience throughout their schooling career, whereas we're still, as adults, we're just learning it now. I looked at incorporating the microbit into a stage 6 year 11 agricultural course. They have to do an experiment throughout their time in a plant production unit. So I got them to look at the variable soil moisture, and they set up the microbit and they manipulate the water that is given to the plants, and they track the moisture through it, and then they look at it at the end and go, well, which ones had better yield, better quality, all of those factors, and what soil moisture they were at. And this can then be given to the farmers who are going through drought, and they can then work out how much water they do need to give their plants to better their quality and yield of their crop. Nowadays, there's technology everywhere you look. You've got your phones, tablets, laptops. It's what they're used to, and it's actually something they're looking for with jobs, and it's a skill that we need to teach our students. We need to get them involved in it, and this is definitely a positive way to do it, by introducing it in the classroom environment. Oh, the kids today were amazing. They were very hands-on, got straight into it. They asked questions when they weren't sure. We had some kids take it further and program it to do something we hadn't actually shown them, so they were taking it to the next step. And then
3, 2, 1.
So you've got your basic code, so that's going to stay the same. Now we're going to see if we can make it.
When I keep it up here, nothing's happening. But when we put it in, it's completely moist.
Got any ideas? How else could we have it shown to us so it's easier to... I personally found it really exciting. Like, I went out and bought a microbit myself and was playing with it at home, because this is what our classrooms are going to look like. Adam was teaching us about what it's going to look like in the future, and to us that's going to benefit us most. Like, we're going to have to be able to adapt to what is happening, and that he's preparing us for that, and I found it really beneficial.